Good morning. So, today we got some errands to run and some honey to-do list from the wife. I did just fix one, the garbage disposal. I did it off camera though because I wasn't sure how nasty that was going to be. However, I do have one issue that keeps arising, and it's with our dryers. They're brand new, but for whatever reason, the vent keeps, what was it doing, 80% blockage?
I don't think it's the dryer though. I think it's because we have no space in our laundry room.
Right.
So I think it's because the hose does this weird little like snake kink thing. It's like it's not able to.
Yeah, it is snaking, but the weird thing is there's no pinch points.
It says there's an 80% blockage in the vent system, and then it says like check your home vent system before you do a load.
So anyway, it's happened like 3 or 4 times now, and these dryers are
brand new,
like 4 months old, max 4 months. So I'm gonna go to Lowe's and bring y'all along with me, and
where are you gonna get at Lowe's?
We're going to try to get some kind of different adapter. That way the hose can go like shorter and just more straight on.
So we're not having to like snake it, and then we could potentially actually open up the dryer door.
So I don't know. I don't know if Lowe's is going to have what we need. I may have to order it on Amazon, and hopefully it'll be here before Monday. But we'll see. Come along with us. Right now, my wife forgot to do her daily duties, and she didn't take the trash to the road. I'm just kidding. That's my job, y'all.
I even have Alexa say reminders.
But anyway, didn't take the trash to the road, and luckily we live 2 miles from where the landfill is. So we're gonna go drop off some trash real quick. So come along and enjoy the ride. We'll see you in a few. Throw that in there. That's fine. Just pick it up and throw it in, bud. You got it for me?
He's got a tail.
From where you went jumping the other day. Come on. We got a line, bud. Just drag it. It'll drag. All right, I got it. Thank you.
But I want to blow it in.
That's fine. One, 2, 3. All right, let's go. Careful.
Get all your trash. Come on, kiddo.
The store now. So yeah. We're, I guess, getting someone to fix the dryers. So
Hey, good. How are you?
I'm good.
You gonna get some film?
What, bud?
Are you gonna get some?
Yeah.
Alright. So right now we're just walking. Right now we're just walking. My mom went to the bathroom, so it's only me and Dad. But right now we're in the dryer area, so yeah. So I guess we're gonna see.
Welcome to Lowe's. Hi, so we came here to Lowe's to help hopefully find something that will fix the 80% clog issue. So, let's see. Won't flip around. So basically, these long ones, wow, is what we have currently, and that's having to make it do a snake. So what I'm thinking is we go and get, wow, we get one of these shorter ones, and that'll at least give us a more straight on until I can order the magnetic one.
That's what I was gonna ask you.
The magnetic one. What's that, baby?
If they had the magnet thing.
Nope.
No, they don't have the magnet one, but we can order it because I do like that look.
I don't even know what it looks like.
So it's
I just know
simple.
it's a pain.
It doesn't come off. It's just a strong magnet instead of having to do all these clamps. So
You could.
let's try that. And so we'll try this, and then I need to get some sheetrock mud while we're here so I can start fixing the living room walls.
Do you think it's just mud that you need? Do you not need?
For now, I just need some mud. I might get a 2x2 sheet if they sell it of the drywall. That way,
Patch a hole.
yeah.
Dad, wasn't I was supposed to be the cameraman?
Well, here, be the cameraman. He likes being the cameraman.
Oh, yeah, because he doesn't want to talk.
$8 for those pins isn't bad. For the organization?
Huh?
For the organization?
Special assistance needed.
All right, drywall. Where's the drywall? Since tomorrow's raining, it'll be a good time to do drywall.
Do we still have leftover
All right,
paint
Katie,
for
turn
that?
around. Turn around.
Leftover paint for
Excuse
the
us.
wall? Sorry.
There is paint and
Do we have that color though?
in the building. I'm sure we do. We'll have to match it
Bubba.
down here. So down here is, let's see.
Is it this that you need?
Yeah, I want the all-purpose mud right here. And then 50% off this card. Huh.
I can see why. Do you have the little spackling knife?
No, we're gonna have to get some of that. I don't think I need all of this. I think that one down there would.
What, the
This is-
little one?
This is 10, that's 5. It doesn't really go bad, so I'll just get this. And then I'll get this roll here. This is fine.
Oh, that's for. I thought
Yeah.
it had the knife in it.
Nope. I think those might be on the other side. Right here.
Watch out, Bubba.
I'm gonna wind up having to need a ladder.
What you mean?
Huh?
Why?
Not a ladder, a buggy.
All that sign back there said grab a cart, you'll need one. I guess they weren't wrong.
It did, didn't it?
Wait, what are you wanting to look at?
I was just looking at some tools.
Huh?
I was just looking at some tools. Some of this stuff for getting ready to route and being able to put in like edge and mortise stuff in the wood would be nice. Champers
From a greenhouse?
for your greenhouse.
Make it all
yes.
fancy dancy?
I wouldn't mind. Gives us something else to do. Craig makes a bunch of neat stuff for just like the common at home, like woodworker who's still trying to figure all this stuff out.
This is all you love, Bug.
It is.
I ain't never heard of no Craig or Cobalt or anything. I support you.
All right. I got a mess back here. Whoever designed this laundry room and thought that this was a great space must be from New York.
It would have been from like a children's playroom.
Let's pull up the, hang this back up. Let's pull this vent up and see how clogged up it is. So that's it right there. Wait. There's nothing in it. Nothing fell out of the floor. Nothing's even on the floor, so I mean it was doing its job. Let's see. So that one was obviously a lot larger than this one. This one is 4 inches, 8 feet long. So of course we don't need all 8 feet. 4 inches, I mean, that's a lot, right? 4? Does the job? We'll go with it does. I'm glad I brought both. It's a flat head.
80% blockage.
I know, but there's nothing in this.
says 80% blockage. Check home vent system before doing more laundry, essentially. But having that be super short will be very beneficial, so we can scoot that back more.
Yeah.
Just don't, I guess, pull it out all the way.
Hey, bud, you drinking your hot chocolate? Is it good? So what made you choose the LGs, love? Why did we have? Oh yeah, but speaking, we had to use get new washers and dryers because a storm came through, I think July or August. It was right after we moved in, and lightning struck the ground, I believe, because that's the only place that we saw it. Not saw it, but it's the only place that makes sense. It destroyed so much stuff from our washer and dryer to the internet. It even totaled our truck. We had a 2023 Toyota Tundra, and it just absolutely crushed it. Fried the whole systems in and out.
Yeah, you were laying by the window when it did it.
Yeah, that's pretty scary, wasn't it, bud?
You go on?
Mm-hmm.
Is it on?
Yeah, there's a little more tightening. It's such a tight spot back here.
They did not build this laundry room in order to have like the option of a front load and have it be fully functional.
Okay, can we tilt it one more time? Okay.
Put it down?
Yeah, that's fine.
You should be used to working in tight spaces.
Why do you say that?
Oh no. Just a thought.
I already asked him if 4 inches was enough.
Good?
I think so. Yeah, that's about as good as you're gonna get right there without pinching. That's kind of why I want that magnet one that I have seen. So
The madness of
gets caught on this linoleum. You want me to try to slide that a little bit more back?
I mean, I can open it all the way.
Oh, good.
So, I don't even think we were able to do that last time.
We couldn't, no.
So,
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I guess we'll do a quick run on the dryer, see if it gives us the same error code.
it didn't. It stopped after I cleared it out twice when I was doing our comforter last night.
Oh. What, in the front?
Huh?
You cleaned the front out?
No, I mean, I cleared out I just said okay, and then continued to do laundry because I wanted to sleep with our comforter.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That makes sense. So. Wow. Another video down. This makes day 3. 3 videos in a row. It's a record for us. What do you think, babe?
Yeah. Make a routine. Make a habit. Make a habit. Catch you next time.
And remember, Caden,
Always do better and be better.
Happy New Year.